Have you ever wanted to see planes in your favorite Roblox game? Well, apparently a lot of my viewers do, because if you scroll through my last video's comments, all you'll see is planes. So in this video, I'm going to add planes, but I'm going to do something a bit different. Throughout this video, you'll be able to see all my followers on Roblox.
Hi!
Bro, not right now.
Can we start the video now then?
No.
I don't care.
God damn it. Alright guys, to build something this big, we need a plan. First, we're gonna make the airplane. Then, we're gonna make the airport system with 3 things. The check-in station, the security station, and the boarding station. And then, we're gonna make the plane drive itself. Bro! I clearly said drive itself. JJ, can you pass me a seat? In case you guys don't know, this is JJ. He's actually one of my Roblox followers. So, if you want your avatar to be in a video, you should follow me on Roblox. Now, I haven't done anything plane related in Roblox yet. Okay, maybe not nothing. Bro! So, I had to search up a tutorial. Luckily, I found this good one by BloggyScript, and now with the seat from JJ, we can make a simple plane.
That plane sucks!
Why does it suck?
Planes actually have an angle when they go up.
Oh, okay. Okay, that's fair.
That plane still sucks!
Okay, why does it suck this time?
I'm a plane nerd and it actually is 1 degree too hot.
After making the basic controls of the plane, I moved on to making the model of the plane. But first, I put in a reference so that my plane wouldn't look really bad. This looks really bad!
Well, what did we do wrong? Well, I think we built it right.
Bro, it's literally fat.
Oh, damn it.
Just make it skinnier and then add a front to it, alright?
Alright.
I hope they don't mess it up. Wow, the plane actually isn't fat anymore. And you guys added wheels. Good job, guys.
Yeah!
Alright, now with the whole plane built, I think that's it for step 1. Now it's time to move to the airport.
What brings you to my conveniently airport-sized plot?
I'd like to buy the plot, please.
You'd like to buy my conveniently airport-sized plot?
Yes. I'm trying to build an airport for a video.
Those video majiggies you kids talk about all the time. Well, I'll have you know that this is quite expensive.
Oh, I'm sure I can handle the...
It's around $10,000.
Okay, fine. I'll buy it. But only because I need a conveniently airport-sized plot to make an airport.
Alright, it's a deal.
Alright, now that I have the land for the airport, I can finally start building it. So after seeing what happened when I hired builders,
What did we do wrong?
I decided to make the exterior of the airport on my own. So I started with the front of the airport, and then I started on making the interior of the airport, which included the security hallway, the luggage station, the check-in station, and after finishing the walls of the first room, the airport schedule. Alright guys, here's the task. I need an animation for the employee and the customer at the check-in station at the airport. Whoever makes the best animation wins. Go! While the contestants are making their animations, I'm going to code the system for the check-in station, which works like this. The player will approach the desk and hand in their passport, which will have their username, avatar, and join date on it. After the employee checks it, there will be a few choices that the player will have to make about their destination and their flight class, which I quickly made UI for. After that, the employee will put a boarding pass with the details on it on the desk, and then I quickly added a click detector on the boarding pass so that the player could pick it up. After that, I made an animation for the employee in Blender, and now we just need the customer animation. Contestants! Your time is up. It's time to see who has the better customer animation. First up is Benny Ninja. Take it away.
Wow, I'm so honored to be here, and thanks to my mom and my dad and all my cousins for letting... This is very important to me, you know.
Just show us the animation.
What the hell?
Yeah, that's a 2 out of 10. You're eliminated.
What? But I worked so hard on it.
Yeah, you're still eliminated. Next one is Not a Cheater. Show me your animation. And no backstories this time. That's pretty good. 6 out of 10. And now for our final contestant, Poland and Tet. Show me your animation. And I think we have a clear winner. 8 out of 10. After I added Poland and Tet's animation to the check-in station, it's time to move on to the next step in the airport, the security stations.
Thank you. They'll never notice I took a weapon in the airport.
Bro, what is that? Yeah, we definitely need airport security next. To start off the security stations, I had to make the security room, which I did by extending off the hallway from the check-in room.
Bro, that is not a room.
Who is talking to me right now?
Down here.
Yeah, I know. I have other things to do first.
You should actually build a room because the room is very important to the airport and it adds to the app.
Anyways, after making part of the security room, I started making the security station that you'll actually go through. This station will include an area where you can walk through, a conveyor that'll get all your avatar's accessories, and a light seeing if you have a boarding pass or not. Alright, you ready to try it?
Yep.
Go whenever you're ready. Stop. Bro, what are you doing? Alright, so since players had the ability right now to move around while they were going through security, I had to disable player controls so that they didn't do that. You ready to try again?
Yep.
Stop. So as you saw, it works. So now, just to make the security station a little bit nicer, I made a little scan effect from the players in the metal detector. So now the security stations are finished, but with one more addition. When the player doesn't have a boarding pass, this little shocked animation plays and then they get kicked out of the airport. Now that the security station's fully done, I'm gonna finish up the rest of the airport. To start finishing the airport, I added an elevator that'll take you to the second floor where you can hand in your boarding pass. Time to test it out.
You spent hardly any time on the elevator.
Well, you know, I like to keep a good pace on things.
Are you kidding me?
So what?
Do I have to say more?
Okay, you're right, but I'm still gonna test it. So after fixing some door sizing issues, the elevator finally works. So I recently figured out that the pavement outside of the airport is called a tarmac, so I added that quickly and the runway. And instead of adding those terminals that you see in the airports, I'm just gonna add stairs down to the tarmac because it's gonna be really hard to precisely line up the planes to the terminals every time. All right. I understand you want terminals. This is just a temporary solution. You guys should know I'm trying to make the best for this game. Nothing?
Guys, I've been with him since minute 1 of this video. And to get this airport done in time for everyone to be happy, we need to all work together.
Yeah, it might have taken him a month, but I think he made a good update. And plus, he's gonna add terminals anyways. So let's do this.
Guys, PNX is right. If we want to do this, it's on us.
Alright then. To finish this update, we only have to do 3 more things. Number 1 is make the boarding pass counter, which is the final step in the airport process. Number 2 is adding an island for the plane to go to. And finally, we'll make the plane move on its own. Let's finish this update! Yeah! So you just have people here filling the lake?
Yep, that's how we're working it.
Alright, as long as it's fast. Guys, you know you don't have to build the boarding pass station from scratch?
Why not?
Yeah, we're not like modern Roblox, always copying.
Why wouldn't you copy? The boarding pass station is the exact same as the check-in station, just instead of a passport, you use a boarding pass.
Oh, okay.
While steps 1 and 2 went down, I worked on step 3, making the plane drive itself. But first, the planes looked really boring, so I customized some of them based off public subscribers. For the planes, I made this one for Kaza Memes, this one for Hiawatha Films, this one for Psych Plays, and this one for Gala GLZ Waffle. Now, going back to step 3, the self-driving was a bit hard to make at first since I couldn't use the AI system for my other vehicles. But since planes don't need to worry about traffic, all I really had to do was record a flight path, then move the plane smoothly to each point along that path. And after making the plane drive by itself with an interior and a folding door, it's time to see the final result.